Let's dive into this sports cryptocurrency called Chiliz, guys. Now, this cryptocurrency has been downtrending from like about $1 now down to 10 cents. I did talk about this early in the year, but let's just do like an updated review about this crypto. So right now, once again, it's at 10 cents and it's kind of at a very good area for it possibly to bounce. Now, I'm not saying that I'm going to be personally entering, is that I'm putting this on my watch list. I do see cryptocurrencies, heading higher heading higher later on in the year, but I'm gonna have to wait, basically wait it out. This cryptocurrency does have a lot of use to it. We check out their website, guys. This is a sports a sports website, sports entertainment website. So if you guys are looking for something that's related to that, please check this out. It's something you might be interested in. Some other market information is ranked number 58, 563,000 people's watch list. It has a market cap of $752 million. Very big when it comes to cryptocurrencies. But as I was saying before, guys, like I see that this cryptocurrency has been slowing down and it's been consolidating in this zone. Oh, wrong one. And for me, I like to see evidence of larger players entering because they can also go down lower. So what I'm going to do is be patient and wait this one out and then see what it's going to do at these lows. Is it going to respect these lows and head up higher, or just drift down lower for the amount of people selling it off? So that's why I'm at a standpoint of just waiting this one out. Because if it does hit higher, I would expect it to hit the 20 cents. So you're talking about like doubling up the position. And you remember, guys, it's not financial advice. This is me just talking about what I'm going to do. My plans are. And so my plans would be setting up if it can start having some more activity, more green bars, instead of these flat, like almost dojis. And basically increasing up to about here. And from there, I'll probably take off half the trade, lock it in, and I'll let the trade run if it can do that. But that's my plan when it comes to Chiliz. What is your guys' plan when it comes to Chiliz? Or you guys are in sports cryptos? Let me know. Drop it in the comments section when you guys are down there. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, guys, this easy video. Check out my website. Learn more about Forex trading, cryptocurrencies and trading, cryptocurrencies, business and investing. Check it out. And if you guys want to start a crypto account, click right here. I get some free Bitcoin. Besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys